Well, here we go. We're going to experiment with a small amount of this thermite. I would say first thing, at least when you get it from this company, the Pyro Creations, I'm sure for safety, they send it to you as a bag of aluminum, finely ground, and a bag of iron oxide, finely ground. So you have to mix the two. And I would say you got to mix more than you think you do, because the aluminum really discolors everything, so you can't really see the iron in there. So I've kept mixing it until I can't see any more of the red, and I'm thinking then that means the iron is thoroughly mixed in. So I just put this plastic cup here just to keep the wind from blowing it away until I set up to light it. I don't expect that to hold it. I really don't expect the plate necessarily to hold it either. The plate is ceramic, but this will get so hot so quick. We'll have to see what happens. Now, there's various ways to light thermite. And I've read the pros and cons of a lot of them. They included a sparkler in with this kit. And the problem with the sparklers is that they can ignite the thermite prematurely, and you definitely don't want that to happen. In other words, you put it in and you light it, and as it burns down, it ignites the thermites. Well, if enough of those sparks fall down, that will ignite the thermite before you're ready. I've read two problems with magnesium, that if you use it as a fuse, it can drop in. Some people will light it, then it will drop into the thermite and light immediately. And again, you don't want to be anywhere near it when it does. So I would think the solution to that is to make a little bit longer thermite fuse. I mean, magnesium ribbon fuse. So in other words, if I do something like this, it's going to have to burn all the way up to here before it ignites. Oh, look at that, it broke. Let's try that again. Well, I know that ribbon isn't that strong. Breaks very easily. So we're going to light this and back up, and we'll see what happens. Then we're going to talk about what could we possibly use this for in the real world. Yeah, our real world, not welders. That's hot. Takes a little effort to light it with a lighter, so maybe that will help more. Oh, almost lit. There. And do we have a dud? Nope, there we go. Well, that scared me. The porcelain plate, I thought might be able to take it, but I wasn't sure, and it certainly didn't. You can see it's still burning slowly. So what we should find here when we're done is we should find gobs of iron and gobs of aluminum. because they're two different densities. Now, I didn't have it in a big container, a clay type container. That's what I'll use next time. I can tell you it melted the top cover here. You can see it's definitely bowed in because that was so hot. Now we're just going to let it set for a good little while and let everything cool off. Now we're going to look at what's left over. This piece is pretty light. This piece is quite heavy. Oh, we've got a piece of porcelain stuck to it. But this is extremely light. So this is mostly aluminum. And some of these other pieces, mostly this piece, is the iron. You can see that it didn't all combust well, but so if you could do this carefully, what's going to happen is you're going to have the lighter aluminum on top and the heavier iron on bottom.